Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create and verify a PayPal account. First, navigate to the PayPal website and select Sign Up. You'll then choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Next, accurately fill in your personal information, such as your full name, email address, and mobile phone number. Finally, create a robust and unique password to secure your new account. After creating your account, the next step is to confirm your contact information. Look for a verification email from PayPal in your inbox and click the provided link to confirm your email address. Simultaneously, you will receive a 6-digit verification code via text message to your registered phone number. Enter this code into the PayPal platform to complete your phone verification. To fully utilize your PayPal account, you'll need to link a financial instrument. Go to the Wallet section within your PayPal dashboard. Here, you have the option to either link a bank account or link a card. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to securely input your banking or card details. This crucial step enables you to seamlessly send and receive funds. The final stage of verification involves confirming your linked bank account. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, to your bank account. Once these appear, log back into PayPal and accurately enter the exact amounts of these 2 deposits. This action fully verifies your account, lifting initial sending and withdrawal limits and making it ready for all your secure online transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.